Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, then welcome. But if it's your first time seeing this face, then hey, my name is Charmaine. I do videos on beauty, home decor, and lifestyle. And if you really are enjoying my vibe, then definitely do hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell, so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So for today, if you are seeing this video, then it means you've seen the previous video that I posted about my pep home haul, where I promised you guys to do a bedroom haul. Well, this is actually the next day, so I think it would have been a week after I posted the pep home haul. I promised you guys that I would be doing my bedroom haul, my bedroom transformation at my place. This room is very small, but I think I can make it work and make it look like a bit of a hotel, so that you can have lax for my birthday. You know, the bedroom transformation was for my birthday, right? So you will be seeing me doing that. Rather, I'll be painting my room. I will be transforming the heck out of this messy room, this small room. I thought I didn't have enough lighting in this place, but it looks like I have more than enough lighting, if you guys can see in the background. I just want to quickly show how it looks. Let me just halfway painting the entire room, so I thought I should just come up and check up on you guys. And I think I'm just gonna finish up the entire room and then show you the final results, because I see my battery is about to die. So I thought, let me just finish up and then I'll come back right to you. Hey guys, so my entire room is painted right now. It is this nice gray color with a tint of green or an undertone of green, but I can't really show, it doesn't really show the green in camera, but I am in love. I am in love. So I painted the entire room and I will get on to decorating. So yeah. Hey everyone. I look like a mess now, but anyway, I'm done and I am done putting in all the big finishes in. All I need to do is just decorate. Don't mind this, I'm gonna clean this up. I just need to put down the curtains and do decoration. I'm just gonna show you a 360 of what is happening right now.
And don't hit Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit. Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit.
you guys, I am finally completed with my room transformation. I know that I look a mess, but it's been a long day. I am ready to freshen up. My room is finally completed and I am so excited with the outcome. I still need a bigger room because the situation is just too much. But anyway, let me just show you what I have done with my room, you guys. So I'm back and I just taken a bath, and if you guys cannot tell, but this huge smile, I am very excited with the outcome of the room. It had turned out to be such a beautiful room. I don't know what I was doing in that old room that looked like such a mess, but I am very happy with the outcome, you guys. Thank you very much for you guys. Thank you very much, you guys, for staying tuned till the very end of this video. Thank you for watching it till this far.